Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our 30-minute HIIT workout. So our first group of exercises for our 30-minute HIIT workout is going to be battle rope, stepper toe taps, skater plyo, and up down plank. So let's start out with the battle rope. We want to make sure that we put our hips back, keep our shoulder blades pinched so we have a straight back. And then now we're going to lift one arm up, try to make a wave, lift the other arm up, try to make a wave. Keep those knees bent. We want our waves to go smooth all the way down. For our stepper toe taps, we're going to try to stay light on our feet and tap one foot to the step at a time and then swap. Now for skater plyos, we're going to put our inside leg behind our outside leg, reach down with our inside hand towards our outside toe, explode up and over. Once this foot lands, the other foot goes behind, and you repeat. Now for the up down plank, we're going to get down into plank position on our elbows. From here, lift one hand up to its palm and press your body up to the other. Then now you're going to take that same hand, drop that elbow, and then come back down to low plank. For this next group of exercises, we have the sled push, the med ball slam, med ball step throughs, and slider knee tucks. For the sled, we're just going to push down on the high end and then bring it back on the low end until the time runs out. So we're going to start off on the high end, driving those knees. For our med ball slams, we're just going to take the ball over our head and then slam it as hard as we can to try to get it to pop back up to around chest high. Take it back overhead and go again. For med ball step throughs, you want to get into almost like a plank-like position where your shoulders are over your wrists. So you don't want to end up here or end up here. Get those shoulders right over your wrist. Keeping your body flat, step one leg up as high as you can, bring it back, and then move the other. For slider knee tucks, we want to take and put our toe in the center of the slider, come down into plank position with our wrists underneath our shoulders. From here, hold in plank position, keeping our hips stationary, bring the knees into the elbows, and back out. Now there's a quick tutorial for our 30-minute HIIT workout. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. 30-minute HIIT workout, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.